Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome into your fine arts painting theory class. In our previous videos of Rajasthani miniature paintings, we have seen that there are 6 paintings: Maruragini, Raja Aniruddha Singhara, Chaugan Players, Krishna on Swing, Bunny Thani, Bharat Meets Rama at Chitrakoot, of which 2 paintings, Maruragini and Raja Aniruddha Singh Hira, have done. Let's start with our next painting, Chaugan Players. The painting Chaugan Players, painted by Dana in 18th century AD. Medium of this painting is watercolor on paper and technique is tempera. Jodhpur is the sub-school of this Rajasthani miniature painting. We can see this painting in National Museum, New Delhi. Before going to description of the painting, we need to go through to the subject matter. This is the painting Chaugan Players. Chaugan means polo. The theme of the painting is entertainment. This painting is horizontal. As you can see in this painting, figures are playing a game, Chaugan. Chaugan means polo. In this painting, 2 princes are playing polo with their 4 maids. The subject is beautifully defined in this painting. Now come on the description part. Here you have to concentrate on the painting. As the title shows, it is a group scene. All 6 ladies are shown sitting on the horses. You have read it before that in this painting 2 princes and 4 maids are here. Faces of 2 princes are facing each other and the 4 maids are also facing each other but in opposite direction. Means upper body of maids are twisted backward. They are trying to face the ball and the faces of the horses are in opposite direction. The 2 horses of the princes are facing each other. There are 6 polo sticks which are covering the ball. The color of the ball is red. Face of all ladies are in profile. They have high rounded foreheads and eyes are elongated. Their skirts are like bell-shaped flower. 2 princes and 2 other ladies on the top wearing decorated crown. Heads of 2 maids are covered with transparent dupatta. They all are dressed in Rajput style and adorned with jewelry like earrings, necklace, bangles, etc. Horses are also well decorated. Color of the horses are brown and white. You can see in the painting. The background is green in color, which shows the contrast to the painting. Colors are very bright. Some calligraphy is on the top of the painting. Lines are powerful and rhythmic. The whole painting is well balanced. Thank you.